Pakinggan natin guys ang isang musical Broadway ni Morissette Amon. So dito natin makikita kung gaano ka versatile na singer si Miss Morissette Amon. At alam naman natin na talagang napakagaling ni Mori sa awitan, kung saan ay siya ay sikat na talaga worldwide. So alamin natin. Ito na po.
Where am I? Where am I going? Where am I going? And when I get there, that happy is it where I already know.
Wow.
Sometimes I feel I could cry without no place but that. Like somebody
Galing talaga ni Morissette.
my joy. Run away. I have to sit and stay. I live life where I belong.
Maririnig natin ang ganda ng boses ni Miss Mori. At dito, ito ipapakita ang ibang genre ng kanyang musika. So talagang napaka-versatile
I
ni
see
dito guys.
something moving. It is small, but it's shifting around. When I was younger, I could hear it, but it's back. It's my sound. Sometimes I feel like I lost my only voice, and then I realize I can't lose my joy. I have to run away. I have to sit and stay. I want to live life. I'm allowed to say that I'm proud of the way that I spent my days these days. Really get a taste to dream and taste to lose. I just need to choose.
Ang mga fans ng worldwide just na good person ng Miss Mori.
Then I follow my joy, I follow my heart, and live the wide life. I ripped it apart. I passed through the corners with no apology. And finally I guess I know the way that I love the way that I stand.
So dito parang makikita natin, marinig natin ang ganda ng kanyang boses. Ang notes talaga ay napakahasnay. So mayroong konting changes na galing sa malumanay. Ito ay patungo na sa parang ang gaganda. Punta na tayo sa climax point.